Alright, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we will be changing out my vent control valve, or EVAP vent solenoid. There's the part number right there. Yeah, right there. And yeah, we got a code for we got a couple codes all related to the EVAP vent control valve, and also on the infotainment center, or the gauge cluster, it popped up tighten gas cap or check gas cap. So yeah, went ahead and went with a Dorman. So yeah, without further ado, I guess we'll get right into it. This is I wouldn't say a pretty common issue, but this do happen quite a bit on the C6s. So yeah, let's get into it. The EVAP solenoid, vent solenoid, is located right up there to the on the passenger side of the transmission tunnel. As you can see, that hose right there connects to the end, and then that blue connector that you see, blue red, that the light's on right there, are the only two things that connect to the vent solenoid. And I don't know if you can see it, but this little bracket right here, or little hook that the light is on, can't see it because of the light, that's what the rail that the vent solenoid, the EVAP vent solenoid slides onto. And yeah, you gotta slide it towards the front of the car. This wire harness is in the way, but as you can see, yeah, there it is, right there. You just gotta wiggle it. Oh my god, my camera ain't gonna focus. Wow, look at this focus, bro. Whatever. But yeah, slide it to the front of the car while wiggling it, and it'll pull off. That's on the passenger side of the transmission at the rear. Yeah, it'll be located. There's your differential right there, right next in front of your differential, to the right of your transmission on the passenger side, right up there. All right, here it is. Here's our new Dorman vent control valve, or EVAP's vent solenoid. All right, there it is. And here is our old one. Oh my gosh. As you can see, it all looks identical. Got the rail, well, the holder for the rail. This one's quite dirty. And this one was, my old one was very brittle when I took it off, so I accidentally broke it right here. Yeah, I broke it right there. No big deal, got a brand new one. I do want to pop this top off and see what it looks like inside there, which I'll probably do now. Alright, so this is what the inside of a EVAP vent solenoid looks like. I don't even know what it does, but here's what it looks like. Went ahead and took my old one apart just by popping that off. But yeah, I guess that's just this, looks like some kind of sponge. Dirt's coming out of it like crazy. You got some kind of hair maybe, or some, I don't know. But yeah, it's extremely dirty. Still don't really know what it does, but we're replacing it. So we slap all that back together. And that'll be thrown away. Here's our new one. I'm not going to take it apart. Alright, let's get into installing our new one. Alright, now we're in the home stretch. We just got to erase the codes. I was going to use my laptop and my HP tuners to do it, but I'll just use my Craftsman little handheld. So see, there's one of the codes, P0449. And I think the other one was also related to the EVAP control valve, or EVAP vent solenoid. So we'll go ahead and erase those. And alright guys, thank you for watching. If you found any of this information useful, please smash that like button, and if you ain't already subscribed, subscribe to stay up to date with some more juicy content. And yeah, see you in the next video.